What's your name?
Andrea. I'm 10 years old. My birthday is August. I got $15 too.
Alex, what's your name? Sorry. Let's see your hair.
Duh.
Alex, what's your name?
Oops.
My name is Alex. Thank you.
Tell us a joke.
Pig fell in the mud puddle.
The big pot in the hole.
Okay, tell us the big pot in the hole.
Knock knock. Knock knock. Knock
Who's
knock.
there?
Orange.
Orange who?
Knock knock.
Who's
Aren't
there?
you glad you're not there?
Knock knock.
Who's there?
Orange.
Orange who?
You guys didn't say Brianna.
And what's your name? Covered in the pillow.
Pillowpuss.
I am Pillowpuss. That's called Mary. She's covering her head because she's scared of the camera.
No, I have ugly hair.
So,
Let's get a sneak peek in her face.
so
Oh,
Mary,
can't get in there.
Mary, look.
There she is.
Mary,
Oh,
look
we
at
got her.
Mary,
Now
look
what's
at
your...
her hair.
Okay, Pillowpuss, what's your real name?
Mary.
Mary.
Yeah. Pillowpuss Mary.
And what's your favorite movie?
I don't know.
Spirit.
No. I'm going back to Pillowpuss.
Okay. We would show Grandma, but she doesn't want to be showed right now. So,
You don't
Just
want-
cover her
You
head.
don't want to see a toothless grandma.
yeah.
Just do it below her neck.
Okay, then play it, right?
Ah. Okay. It's
Let me see.
doing myself.
Let me see.
Are you playing it now?
Yeah, it's been recorded.
And the volume